Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you guys doing great. So in this video, I am going to tell you how did you learn English and why you should learn English. Okay, so these topics just going on my mind, and today finally I gonna share with you how did I learn and why you should learn English. Okay, you should learn English because if you want to connect it with global people, if you want to be get higher job, like a good job, if you want to get higher study, you should learn English. So English is a language and it's also a skill. If you learn English, it's gonna help you to get you better position to you. So that's the reason everyone should learn English. In this modern situations we are living everywhere, like connected with globals, like if we get in internet, just like any social media, then we can see here and there a lot of foreigners peoples. And if we go foreigners country, then we need to learn this language. If we know English, then we will be able to talk in English. If we know English, that's gonna help us to communicate with them. That's gonna help us to get a good better opportunity to get money. If we know English, we can shine in our examinations also. So that's why everyone should learn English. And as a me, how did I learn English? Now I'm going to tell you guys. So I learned English, basically I love this language when I was a child, like when I can understand some things. Then at that time, from that time, I decided that I should learn English. I have seen many kind of people can speak English, and when I am becoming to grow up day by day, that time I can see that foreigners people. I'm really interested to talk with foreigners, and for this reason, as a result, I decided that I should learn English. And from it's my beginning was, it was like 5 years ago, more than 5 years ago. I decided to learn this language. It was my commitment to learn, but day by day I'm learning new word, new sentence. And sometimes I feel bored, sometimes I feel hesitate, sometimes I feel nervous. But finally, you can see, guys, still I'm in front of you, and I'm talking in English. And finally, you can see I'm able to talk in English because I was dedicated. And still I'm learning. Guys, I'm not teachers, I'm a learner like you. I learned is this way. Is still you are passing, such like if you can think that I am like intermediate now, but I'm also learner still. So if you want to become a fluent speaker, you have to spend some step. So that step must face everyone. So I have faced. Now I am passing another step. I am day by day improving, day by day learning new things. So at least guys, one secret that you never learn this language 1 or 2 days, 1 month or 2 months, 1 year or 2 years. You have to be, if you want to really learn this language, you have to be dedicated, you have to be passionate about it, you have to spend huge time. And at least for learning, guys, we are passing huge time. We wasted a lot of time for calling our mobile phone, for social medias, and many kinds of way we have passed a lot of time. But at least if we really wants to become fluent speakers, good speakers, we can spend some time every day for learning. So if you learned every day 5 sentences, or five can be word, in the end, like in the 7 days later, you have got use, you learned use sentence and word. So this way we should every moment, every second we should learn new things. So never stop learning, guys. If you really want to be a fluent speaker or good speaker, if you really want to learn this language actually, and you should say yourself it's a language. Okay, so if the another one can speak English, why I can't? Okay, you can see, guys, I am from village. I am come from village and I am speaking English. So if I know English, if I can't speak English, why you can? You have the better opportunity for like than me. So why you won't? You should learn English. Okay, you have to learn and you have to speak in English better than me, better than everyone. Okay, when you will be able to understand your mind, you can teach your mind like this way, you will be able. Okay, so I said my mind, no need a more advantage. I have capability, I have ability to speak, I'm seeking, guys. Nowadays it's very easy to learn new things. We have dictionary, we have many article on internet. If you search on Google, whatever you want, everything you will be able to get. So this kind of thing help you a lot when you really will be trying to get this anything, you will be able to get. Okay, so it is our own mind setup. If you have a good mind setup, then everything we can get. Okay, so that's why today I'm in front of you. I'm sharing this message. Okay, so you can see I'm on the river, and this is musk, and beside water. Okay, you can see, guys, this is cool environment. In this environment I feel very joyful. I'm really delighted to come here, and that's why today I'm sharing this message with everyone. Okay, so never stop your learning. Please learn new thing at least every day. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope, guys, this video gonna be helpful to you. So be connected with me. Okay, so be connected not only me with a good speaker who is really good at English. You can listen from this guy. If you are watching video, then you can learn like the others who can speak, so you can follow this guy. Okay, by the way, so that's all for now, guys. I hope, guys, this video really will help you. So if this video help you, never forget out like. Okay, bye. I love this.